Here are 10 formulas you need to use with Google Sheets using your phone. The first one that everyone needs to know is the sum function. So in order to do that, we need to enter some numbers. I'm just going to randomly put in whatever numbers. Of course, we need 6, 7, 81, 110. Okay. So now that we have a series of numbers, let's enter in the sum function. In order to do that, tap on Enter Text or Formula, tap Equals, change to letters, type in sum, open parentheses. What I like to do is tap on the cell that I want to start with my sum and then use the little green dot in the lower right-hand corner and just send it down to the bottom of the range. I'm going to get rid of this comma and space and close parentheses. And there you have the first formula that is so important in any spreadsheet, the sum function that we use all the time. The next one that a lot of people use is average. So in order to average a range of cells, you need to tap equals, average, open parentheses, and again tap, grab that little green circle, come down, and I don't know why the comma and the space is there, but I always get it. Backspace and then hit the close parentheses. That is the arithmetic mean of those numbers. How many numbers are even in there, right? So that leads us to the next formula, which I would like to share, is the count formula. So this will count how many cells have data in it. So equals count, open parentheses, again, tap on A3, use the green circle, slide it down, and I'm going to get rid of the comma and the space, close parentheses, and hit the green check mark. And now I know that there's 8 numbers in that arithmetic mean of 51.74. So I'm going to use another average function called median, open parentheses. I'm going to highlight it again and come down, and then close parentheses. So the median is 45. That is the number in those 8 numbers that is in the middle between 1 and 110. That's the one that shows up in the middle of that range. And then mode is another formula, but we need to change a number here. So let's change this one to 81. And I'll show you how to use mode. Equals, mode, open parentheses. I'm going to highlight the range again. I'm going to backspace and close parentheses. And the mode is the number that shows up most frequently in a list of numbers. So here we've got 81. The next one is the today function, which will give you today's date. So equals today. And then you just open and close parentheses and hit the green check mark, and it will always give you today's date, whatever that might be. But just know that tomorrow it'll be November 30 and the next day will be December 1. So if you want the date to change every time you open it, that today function works really well. So another one that I like to do is concatenate, and let's do it with a name. I'm going to do Laura, and we're going to use Smith. So I want to add these two together to get the full name. So I'm going to type in a formula, equals concatenate. I'm going to get the open parentheses. I'm going to pick Laura or Lara. And then I want to put a space in between. So I'm going to do a quote, space, quote, and then a comma, and then Smith. We're going to do close parentheses. And then I can get Laura Smith on the same line and use that well that way. Say I wanted that to be uppercase. The next formula I can use is upper, open parentheses. Let's see if it'll work on the formula. And it's already got the close parentheses for me, so I'm just going to hit the green check mark. And there you go, you've got uppercase letters now. So are you liking this video? We share all Google Sheets mobile tips that you can see on our channel every day for those who need to use Google Sheets mobile. Subscribe today to get many more videos and shorts specifically about Google Sheets. So when you search for Google Sheets in the future, our channel will come up in the top of your search results. Another formula, if you want time as well as date, you can equal now, open parentheses, close parentheses, and hit the green check mark. And now you'll get the date and the time that you can use in formulas as well. Other formulas that are good is left, right. So if I have a cell, say 1, 2, 3, 4, mode 3, 4, 5, 6, I can get those characters on the left and right if I want by using the left function and the right function. So I type in equals left, open parentheses, and I select the cell by tapping on it, and I can go B9 and 4 characters to get 1, 2, 3, 4. I can also do it with right equals RIGHT, open parentheses, tap the cell, and then again do 4 characters, close parentheses, and I can get the 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I ever have a cell that I need to break up, I can use those two. The other cell or formula I can use is mid equals mid, open parentheses, grab that cell, and I need my start number, which is going to be 6. And then I want 4 characters, close parentheses, and I can get the word in the middle, mode. Additionally, I could just use simple math, right? So equals, say, A6 plus A7, and I get 81 plus 67. Or I could do division, 81 divided by 45, and go that way. So I could tap here, go equals 45 minus 81 times 81 minus 110 divided by 23. Who knows what that'll come up with. Then I end up with a negative 6,520. But I could also use parentheses for order of operations, equals 23 times 45 plus 81 divided by 67 minus, here's my parentheses, 81 minus 67, close parentheses. So then 8 minus 87 will be done first, and then I'll do the rest of the formula. I'll end up with 1,040. So to learn more Google Sheets using your phone, watch this video next.